There's a few in there.
Happy Tuesday again. Okay, so I just thought I'd showcase this time some little Cisco routers that we're doing, and as you can see, they are CE1114Ps. They've been nicely boxed, and yeah, I think there's 20 of those going out the door, and we have removed the lids from these, so that's actually been resprayed, and as you can see, it looks brand new again. And also, so these are the boxes they go in, and you can see there's 2 foam end caps in there, and then we put a nice new power cable in there. We don't sell refurbished power cables because they look horrible. Anyway, these are new, and as you can you see that there's a little protective that protects the pins from scratching the side of the router, and then you've got a little power supply there, and we hang the cables over so it's nice tidy. So anyway, that'll be going out to one happy customer very soon, and actually I just wanted to point out, this is an interesting one. These little ISR 1100s, they came out, they were introduced by Cisco in 2017, and then in 2019 they were made end of life, which is a bit of a strange one. And I think what happened was that the memory on these are not upgradable, and they're hard soldered onto the motherboard, and consequently they didn't have enough memory on them to take a later version of operating system. So Cisco made these end of life, and they introduced the ISR 1100s, and they give them a different part number, ISR 1100 1114Ps. Anyway, a bit of an unusual one, but I've seen it before. They brought out the, I think it's the 8111 and the 811X and the 111X. A bit strange with the part numbers, but basically those have got, I think it's 4 gig by default, and the later models come out with 8. But anyway, quick one before we go. We've got here, oh hello, what's going on over there? We've got some some more 2960s going out. This is an ASA5585, and that was between 50, that was, I think it was about 50 grand firewall. It's now so 2021, it was made end of life 2021, still being supported till 2024. This one's going out as a hot swap spare. I shouldn't say this really, but I don't actually recommend people have end of support firewalls, but ours is not to reason why. Ours is but to do or die. So anyway, so let me just go through this with you. So ASA5585, 2-slot router, introduced in 2010. 11 years it was out there for. You can have various different modules. I think I've done this video before on these. This one's got these SSP module there, and this is the SSP with the SFR feature. But anyway, and you've got 2 hard drives in there, nothing in that one. 2 power supplies, and you can have these with single power supplies, but they don't like an empty slot. You put a fan module in there. But anyway, been beautifully refurbished. That looks brand new again. Anyway, I'm going home soon. Have a nice day. See ya. Bye.